What's up, guys? Kalen Bryant here with Freedom Life Influencer. What if you could get your first sale online today? That would blow your mind and make such a big difference in your affiliate marketing and make money online business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your first sale today using ClickBank, okay? So let's get straight to the content, guys. And if you like, I make videos about making money online. If you like content about making money online, teaching you how to do it step by step, showing you the latest and the greatest, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and let's get going. All right. So in order for you to start promoting products on ClickBank, you first have to set up a ClickBank account. So here in ClickBank, you'll of course go to clickbank.com or whatnot, right? Let's say I didn't have an account. Here we go. You'll have an account. You'll create an account. ClickBank is an international platform where you can be able to promote digital courses. You also can promote physical courses. It depends on what category you go into, okay? So you'll create your account. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. Just go through the steps. Put your banking information in, your account information. ClickBank is a pretty reliable source, nothing shady, nothing scammy there, so don't worry about that. But after you have your account set up, you're going to log in, and this is what a login page looks like, okay? Keep your username. Your username is key here, okay? You're going to go on your marketplace, right? And the marketplace is where you can choose your category. Now, the three golden niches is health, wealth, and wellness, right? So health, wealth, and relationships. So for this example, we're going to go in business and investing, right? And so when you go into business and investing, I'm going to do cryptocurrency to be exact, because cryptocurrency is like the highest thing right now. You find your product, pick that category, and then find the product, okay? If you want to find a specific product in a specific category, you can even go down and drill down even further like I just did here, okay? Sort by gravity, okay? Gravity means the higher the gravity, the more this product is already sold for other affiliates. So you want a high gravity, that means this offer is a high converting offer, all right? And to get sales instantly and fast, you really want to go for those low ticket offers right now. Because people are more likely to buy if the price is not too hot, right? And even if you can find like $1 trial or a 7-day free trial on a particular product or course, that will be golden, because people tend to go for a free trial or go for cheaper courses and cheaper products, and that means you get faster and potentially more sales, okay? So let's say, for instance, we're going to pick all these, okay. Let's do the Crypto Success Club. Okay, Crypto Success Club is not bad. You make $57.84 per sale on average, and then it's a recurring commission. So if someone signs up under your link for the $57.84 and they stay in the program, they'll get an average rebill of $42 a month. And that average rebill is $42, goes directly to you, as long as the person that you refer to this program is still in it, okay? So let's say this is the product we're going to choose. You need to make sure, listen to yours on. Make sure you do your own research on these products, okay? You want to go to the product page, right? You want to read what the product is about. You want to see if other people have gotten success on this product, okay? This product looks like it's about trading, how you can trade on Binance. Trade cryptos on Binance to be a crypto millionaire. It looks okay. It looks decent. There's no videos. There's just a lot of content. So it's basically a free report on how you can make millions trading cryptocurrency, and it teaches you how this course would do it. And then I'm pretty sure at the end it will have here the register now, added cart. It gets you just sign up now for only $7, and then rebuild at $27 per month thereafter. But I'm pretty sure they have some upsells in the back office here to get you that $57.84. So that's the average. The $57.84 is the average. So maybe it will be that 57, or maybe it won't be. I'm pretty sure the range would be different. Okay. So let's say this is a good product that we want to promote, right? what we want. What are we going to do next? Are we going to get this link, right? Are we going to say promote, have my account nickname, create, and this is my link, right? Are we going to just send traffic directly to this link? No, sir. No, ma'am. No. We want to send people to our funnel first, okay? I've already created some funnels here. So I use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is very easy to use. It's very user-friendly, beginner-friendly. So if you want to check out ClickFunnels, it's a 14-day free trial. Check it out below in my resources section. You can get the 14-day free trial on ClickFunnels. You can test funnels out. You can start your affiliate marketing business today and make money even before you even have to pay for ClickFunnels. Okay, so check that out in the resources below in the description. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up a funnel. So I have this funnel already. So, but let me just take you real quickly through the steps on creating one or building your own funnel. Okay, so when you go to ClickFunnels, you can add new funnel, and then you can do a cookbook builder process, or you can create a new funnel. So we want to create a new funnel, right? Create a new funnel, and the whole purpose of us putting a funnel before the sales offer is so that we can collect that person's or our traffic's name, and then we can also collect that person's email address. Because when you hear people say the money is in the list, the money is in the list. I'm telling you, if you can build your email list, you can just send them content and send them value, and then sometimes promote a product here or that's what I'm looking for, or recommend a program here or there. Okay, but you want to get their email address and then start sending them videos, sending them blogs, sending them articles on how they can make money online or whatever category or niche that you're in. Okay, so for this purpose, we want to collect emails. We can name it, I'm just going to name it video test. Okay, and then I select the tab, CB, okay, and then build funnel. Guys, it's simple, I'm telling you, simple. So the funnel is being built for us, and then we'll go in and we will get our template. ClickFunnels has thousands of templates, or maybe not thousands, or hundreds of templates. It depends on what you're doing. Like we're doing an opt-in page, so we get the email option. Okay, opt-in, sales, webinar, membership, what have you. You want to pick something that's very clean, nothing too broad or too much on the page, because your traffic can get very easily distracted. So pick something that's very clean. I like this one here personally. You can always split test. Okay, so after you choose your template, ClickFunnels is going to get it all together, put it together. Then you edit the page, so edit the template, right? Okay, and then it's the template. Okay, so it says download this free report. So you want to give, it's like your lead magnet. Why should your traffic put their name and their email address in your funnel? Why should they do that? Okay, well, they're going to do that so they can get this free report, right? This free report right here that shows them how they can be crypto millionaires in 2018 by trading crypto on Binance. It's simple, guys, simple. So once you create your funnel, you say download this free report, right? Or new report reveals how you can be a crypto millionaire, right? And so they say, oh man, yeah, I love crypto, I'm wanting to get into crypto. They'll put their name here and they put their email address here, and they'll click get instant access, and then after that it'll send them, number one, it'll send them to your autoresponder, right? So you need an autoresponder. I use Aweber. You can use Aweber, you can use GetResponse, you can use Katra. Aweber and GetResponse are in the link in my description below. You can check those out. They also have 14-day free trials, so check them out. I use Aweber, so I mean, if you want to use Aweber, you can. GetResponse is also user friendly. Check both of those out in the links in the description. Okay, but once they put the information into your funnel, it will send their information to your autoresponder. because you're going to go here, settings, integration, and then get your integration, whether it's GetResponse or Aweber. Like I use Aweber right now, not for GetResponse, not particularly GetResponse right now in this instance. So you select the integration. I have existing form that I created on Aweber. So I'm going to show you later on another video how to set your Aweber account. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get that video. And then you add to a list. So once you get the autoresponder, you already have your existing forms. Then you have your list. Okay, so here's my different lists I have here, and then boom, it'll get integrated. All right. So ClickFunnels is super simple. Maybe take you 15 minutes to make it. Okay. So then after, when they click Get Instant Access, you're going to go to General on Submit. When they go on Submit, you're going to grab this link here, right? Copy this link, and you're going to put it there so that when the person clicks Instant Access, they'll go straight to this site right here. Bam. And this is their free report. And so then when they get their free report and they like what they see, what they read, they're going to register now, add to cart, and this specific link that they're on is tied directly to you, and you're going to make money in ClickBank. Okay. But what's the most and number one problem that affiliate marketers or anybody trying to make money online has? And that is traffic. Traffic. Guys, you can create a funnel, you can create or get the greatest ClickBank offer ever. But if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make money. So traffic is key and traffic is king. Okay. So in order for you to get traffic right now today, we're going to use Udimi. Okay. Udimi is a website that is good for solo ads that people who already have major lists, big lists, right? And you can purchase from them. You can purchase leads or purchase clicks from them because they already have their audience. So you want to go to udimi.com. That link is also in the description. Check it out. You find sellers. Okay. After you find sellers, you can do some filters here. Like if you don't want to pay over 95 cents per click, you can choose this. Let's say I want to go up to 50 cents per click, you know, or if I need more options, 65 cents per click. Okay. And here's the percent per sale. So in the past, everyone that Roy Tay has sold clicks to, if they have 100 clicks, if they bought 100 clicks from Roy Tay, they on average get 53% of sales. So out of 100 clicks, 53 people are signing up and he's getting a sale for them. Okay, that is golden, and he's only costs 60 cents per sale. If that's too much for you, pick a lower off, 48 cents per sale. But keep in mind, he's only has a 32% success or sales rate. So the higher the sales rate, the better. But you're taking higher sales rate, the higher the price. So lower the price, lower sales rate. So it's whatever you want. So after you pick your person you want to buy solo ads from, you give them your specific link to your funnel, right? The funnel that you created here. Let me go back. Leave after you edit it and make it look like you want it to look like. This is the link to the funnel. You go here, copy paste, and you give your seller that link, and they will blast it out to their list, right? And it's just that easy, guys. And trust me, that's instant traffic to your list. And if they don't buy, that's okay. If they don't buy the first time, because 90% of people who see your traffic does not buy. So it's good to get them on your autoresponder so that you can follow up later on and just promote, or no, not promote, value, and then promote, and then share with or refer them to other sources that can help them grow their business. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, pound the like. Let me know if anyone has ever used Udimi. If you've used Udimi, comment below. Tell me how you've liked them. But check the links out in the description for my #1 make money online source. It will show you step by step how you can do this whole process and be successful at it and build a whole sustainable brand. Okay, guys. So check out the links in the description. Hope you like this video. Kalen Bryant out. Peace.